Oh, he's huge. Oh, he's beautiful. Oh wow, he wants leaves. He wants leaves. Oh my word. This is too beautiful. Sorry, it's my wow moment. This is my wow moment. Welcome to Jaunty Van Life, travelling through South Africa. Full-time van lifers, Cindy and Graham. Living the youth of our old age, enjoying every moment.
Some of us have got to climb up there. So as we're travelling towards St Lucia on this road, we see that there's a whole lot of outcrops that they've planted here in straight lines, and it's so wonderful to see how they make the gumpoles out of them. They're straight and very pretty. Then there's that odd occasional truck on the road that you have to pass.
So this is our beautiful room. We've been blessed with 2 nights away from Jaunty. Look at this, how stunning it is. And Graham,
Hello.
how are you enjoying this beautiful place?
This is beautiful. It's nice.
Yeah, it's gorgeous, eh? Nice cupboards. Yeah. So I'm going to go look at the bathroom. Nice hyena picture. And look at the beds are beautifully made. And look at this beautiful bathroom. And the bath. Look at this bath. I'm going to have such a gorgeous bath. You know, while we're in Jaunty and that, it's all showers. Some places do have baths, but I went into the shower. So this is a blessing for us. And guess where it is? Where are we, babes? Tell them.
It's St Lucia.
Yeah, how's that? St Lucia. So we're going to show you the hippos, the crocs. A beautiful place. So yeah, we're enjoying ourselves. Going to see wildlife. So here we are. The rest of the lodge. Self-catering. Beautiful kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Gorgeous. Look how stunning this is. Wow. Beautiful marble counters. And then we have, it's dark. You think this is for you? Ah, and we had light. So this is gorgeous. Look how beautiful this is. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. What a spoil. Absolute spoil. Zebra carpet. No. Luxury.
Okay, so this is the kitchen table and the fridge, and then we have the basin, and we've got Cindy here. What you doing here?
Part of the furniture here.
Ah,
So we're going out for dinner.
okay.
We're here with my son and my daughter-in-law.
Oh,
And
cool.
in St Lucia, we're going to go and
Awesome.
give you hippo.
Cool, love it. Here's a stunning view outside. As we woke up in the morning, we looked out here with all the lovely flowers and trees and plants, and wow, what a beautiful place. And there's Cindy also stretching out. Beautiful. There's a little pool down the bottom there, and nice places to sit down and lie down and eat whatever you want to do. Very well equipped, this place.
So here we have the mango tree right at the balcony. Mango tree at the balcony. This is our suite, messy now. Graham on the balcony and the mango tree. Now when I lived in northern Rhodesia, Zambia now, I was about 5 when we left and came to South Africa. And we used to climb these mango trees. And we used to sit in the tree and eat the mangoes. So there's no mangoes right now. And this place is full of lychee trees, which are down there. We can't actually see them from this distance, but they are full of lychees. So this is St Lucia, one of the buildings where we had brekkies this morning. This is the curios, all behind here in St Lucia. So we're here at St Lucia. There's all curios, and this is the estuary behind the trees, and danger crocodiles, and people selling goods, beautiful goods, lovely. So danger crocodiles in St Lucia.
Beautiful boardwalks. Everywhere we went there's boardwalk.
By the estuary.
What beach is that?
Yeah.
What did you see?
It's wood. If you go up, there's wood in the lake.
I did
I thought
see
it's a
that.
crocodile. Pity, because you usually see the hippos sometimes. Like mangrove stuff. Huh?
Yeah.
Very pretty.
Yeah, it's lovely. Right.
Are you happy you've come to St Lucia?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
it's very nice. I like the boardwalk.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. I mean, and look at the beautiful, look at the
Yeah,
trees.
it's beautiful.
They're beautiful.
This reminds me of that place we used to go to when I got all stuck in this tree.
Limpopo?
No. Remember that dam?
Yes,
Loskop Dam. This is the tree with all the thorns that got stuck in.
The Pringles out today.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, I mustn't make any noise. Oh, I must take my tablet plate. I haven't taken it today. So Graham, you get in that too, because I can't find my phone.
David, have you got any crayons?
Turn it like that, we'll get the other one as well.
Oh, look, standing babe.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you come in with us?
Oh, I don't think I've done one for the breakfast.
Oh, I got some lovely.
I did.
Look at this one.
Oh, oh look.
Oh, and that one.
Oh, you can see. Oh wow. How beautiful, Sophie. Look, he's standing, Sophie.
I see.
Oh, he, oh.
David can see right over the top of
No,
I thought I could hold your arm.
very similar looking.
There are wild animals here.
Wild?
There's hyenas.
Hyenas?
Honey badgers.
Oh wow, let me see if I can get zoomed in.
Dangerous animals.
I want to see if I can read
Leopards.
this.
Bush-picked monkeys. Leopards, honey badgers, hyenas.
Bushby. Wow, that's quite a lot, eh? Hey, I see you. I was once known as a wildebeest whistler. Hi guys, okay, so we've got to the end of this video and I hope you guys all enjoyed it. This was what we saw in St Lucia, but there is a ton more. This was just a little sample of the place. So with that said, thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, share and comment. And Cindy also has something to say.
First of all, quickly, I just want to show you what I've been busy with.
Oh my goodness.
It's all my sea glass that I collected. I'm going to make a lamp. I think it's quite gorgeous.
It's not a lamp, it's like a chandelier.
Yeah.
There's an inner one and an outer one, so there's a whole lot of different heights.
Yeah, so that's
Takes a long time and a lot of collecting, but it's done.
Yeah. And
Get in there.
There's not sea glass everywhere.
Yeah.
The best place was where I found it.
Yes.
I won't tell you either where it is. Anyway,
Yeah.
God bless you all.
Yes.
And don't forget to support us, because when we get to 1,000 and over, that's when YouTube will look at us
Thank you.
and we can start just moving on.
And
further.
that'll be from Cindy and Graham.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.